Well, we finally got the new bike back to the garage, so it's time to let DAF Garage go ahead and take over. We're gonna see what happens. The bike's a little bit mangled, but you know, we're gonna give this bike a second life. Doesn't look very good, but we're gonna resurrect it and we're gonna throw some awesome parts on it, and I'm pretty excited for the outcome. Finally got the whole entire bike torn apart. So we've got a collection of parts. The frame's sitting right here. We've got the motor on the ground. You got transmission and a bunch of other parts all over, just kind of sitting everywhere. So you know, now starts the next process. Really excited that everything's taken apart. Hopefully things start to come together from basically a piece of shit lying on the ground that's twisted and tangled to a tire shredding, front wheel hanging wheelie machine. So stick around, check it out. I don't know what's gonna happen, so just keep on watching.